Good morning. Thanks for joining in today. Today I'm cooking a very simple but a very tasty vegetarian dish called Loki. Loki goes very well with boiled rice and tarka dal. So Loki, those of you who are not familiar with what it is a marrow vegetable, belongs to the same family as a courgette or a pumpkin. It is available in most Asian stores. It is available throughout the year, and I get it from my local Asian store. It's not usually available in Western supermarkets. So I got 3 Lokis over here, which will suffice to serve 3 to 4 people. The preparation time is about 10 minutes and the cooking time is approximately half an hour. So it's a quick dish to cook. So do try it. So let's cook. Take in 1 small onion, which I have finely chopped, and it's going to become golden brown in a couple of tablespoonfuls of cooking oil. So onions are nice golden brown. Into the onions I'm going to be adding a teaspoonful of cumin seeds or zira, half a teaspoonful of nigella seeds or kalonji. Let it cook for a few seconds. Into it I'm adding a teaspoonful of salt, couple of curry leaves, half a teaspoonful of red chili flakes, teaspoonful of paprika, and half a teaspoonful of turmeric powder or haldi. I will let the spices cook for another minute or so. 2 tomatoes, which I have blended with a blender, so they're just like a paste. I'm going to cook these for another 2-3 minutes. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to put my Loki in there. I have removed the skin and I have cut the Loki into small little cubes, small pieces, and that will go in there. I'm going to let the Loki cook under a lid until it's slightly softer, and obviously it will shrink quite a lot because it will release its own juices. And then I'm going to stir it every 5 minutes and to just mix all the spices through the Loki. And the full cooking time will be about 25 minutes to half an hour. So it's been cooking for about 20 minutes and looks much softer. Still a bit to go, or maybe another 10 minutes. I've been turning it every 5 minutes so the spices get mixed evenly. Into it I'm just going to squeeze some lemon. The stove is on very low heat and I leave this there for another 10 minutes. I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of coriander before serving. And let's try a bit of taste of it. I like it. Really, really nice. I hope you try it at home. It's a quick, simple recipe, but a very tasty recipe. So I hope to see you next time. Until then, take care.